35 minus 56, 40, 42, minus 30, minus 20 and plus 58. How much profit did the business person make in last 7 days? Now profit means it can also be a loss. It's profit or loss. So very simple, calculate 35 minus 56 plus 40 plus 42 minus 30 minus 20 plus 58. Do all the addition subtraction, you will get the answer as 69. In a test, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer. Annie answered all questions and scored 26 marks, though she got 9 correct answers. Varun also answered all questions and scored 2 marks, though he got 5 correct answers. How many questions did each answer incorrectly? Simple. Make 2 columns, Annie and Varun. Now marks. How many marks? Annie has 26, Varun has 2 marks. Then correct marks. She got how many correct? 9 correct. So 9 fours are 36. And he got 5 correct. 5 fours are 20. So what is the difference between correct marks and actual marks? 10 and 18. Now why is this difference? This is because of the incorrect answers. So per incorrect answer, how many gone? 2 marks gone. So incorrect, total number of incorrects, how many will be? Difference upon 2. So 10 upon 2, that is 5 over here, and 18 upon 2, 9 over here. So Annie got 5 incorrect answers, Varun got 9 incorrect answers. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest you learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart, because that will be needed throughout your life. And we have separate videos for that. Sing behind those on a daily basis. You'll learn in To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.